Alafia, many of us do not know how to appease our ancestors. You are a black man, black woman, a child of Mother Africa. You need to know how to appease. Pray for your ancestors. Employ them to help you in fighting your financial battle, your marital battle, your promotion. Name it. Let me teach you. Come closer. Come to me. Oh yeah, camera, come closer. What is this? Pray to your ancestors. You must get this. They adore this so much. This is corn flour. Corn flour. You put it here. You get water. Use your left hand. You mix it very, 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 very well. What is this? This is cola. Cola. You open it into two. Okay? You open another one to two. Okay? Now, it can be in America, anywhere. You go to a junction, a park, get a sound. 1, 2, 3. This is all you need. This is all you need to pray to your ancestors. You start. You first acknowledge the land you are. I am in the land of America. I'm calling the whole of my ancestors. From your father's side, you call your father, the ancestors that you know that they are there. If you're calling them, you call them. I'm calling on Michael Jackson. I'm calling on you call your ancestors. Each of them from your father's side, you call all of them. After calling all of them, you now go to your mother's side. As you are calling, pronouncing your ancestors, you are pouring this jassy. They adore this so much. If you are calling it, they will come. So far is the blood running in your vein. They will come. They are calling them. You call them. You call them. After calling your ancestors, you will not call your ancestors that you don't know their name. Some of you, our ancestors, they traveled, they died, our parents didn't even tell us. You will not call them. Say, any of my ancestors that I acknowledge you that I don't know his name or her name, I acknowledge you. It's me, your blood. You call your name. You are coming here. You pray. After doing that, you now call your close friends, your co-workers, your schoolmates that you know that are dead. You call them. 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 After calling them with this, you go here. There's some of us that don't like to eat in public. There's some uncles, fathers, they don't like to eat in public. You not call them and say, all my uncles that don't like to eat in public, I'll call you guys here. Come here. Take you guys own. Open doors for me. You pray your prayer of protection and financial breakthrough. After giving this, what do you do? If someone comes to your house, what do? You give water. Find a cup. Give water. Oh yeah. It's water that I used to pray. He said, my business. If you take water, look at how they take water. Hold on, look at it. Take water like this, normally. You take water, you pour, you pray, you liberate, you pour, you pray, you pray, you call their names. It's your ancestors. After calling them water, if someone comes to your house, if you give water, what do you give him again? Drink. You get this. A dry gin. Don't use whiskey. A dry gin. A desperate gin. You get this. Hold on, I'm coming. After getting it, you now open it. After opening it, this is how you give your ancestors the drink. You give like this. You give like this. Some of the ancestors they drink like this, some of them drink like this. So you give them. After giving them, you will not. This drink prayer is different. You will not be speaking to your ancestors. Anybody that want me dead, that want me die, the ancestors should go and take them. They should fight me. They should be clever to fight my energy and should be intelligent to bring me money. I'm not communicating. You give them the drink, you give them. Now, after that, you get our local drink they call kai kai. It's called sorabi. The same thing. You pour here. You do the same prayer of provocation and protection, and for him to be clever and intelligent to bring you money, your family. After giving them drink, After give them alcohol. After give them alcohol, what else do you give them? Soft drink. How you want your life to be sweet. You open the same way. You open here. You pour like this. You give them. As you are taking, you are giving. You take the soft drink, the alcohol. You drink. You give your family. You give your family. Then eat. Then drink with the ancestors. So as you pour the drink, soft drink, you open here. You pour here. You give your ancestors. Give them. You give those that don't eat here. The rest you share with your family. If you drink small. The prayer is being accepted. After doing that, if your ancestors, if you none of them that like any favorite drink, beer, anything, you open it together and give them that same moment. Finish. Now, that's how simple to call your ancestors. Yeah, these beans they call ewagoyin. You prepare it with that salt. This is what you give. This is the food you give your ancestors. You give them. You give them. You give them. After giving them the soft drink and everything, you give them this. You give them. After giving them, why am I not giving it? Because this I'm just teaching you guys how to do it. That's where I pray. I'm a title man. That's where I pray for my ancestors. For our clients, any way you can do it. It work for you. So after giving them this corn, this is palm oil. This palm oil you used to pray for them to remove any danger, any red eye, what they call leukemia in your life. You give them. After giving them, my brother, my sister, your prayer is done. So after your prayer is done, you remember we put cola here. Remember, after the cola is done, by the message of Jomasik, this is how you interpret whether your ancestors have answered your prayer already. Now, you want to the north, to the east, to the south, to the west, to the creator of the universe. And you bring it down again. After bringing it, you will now pour it. Come closer, cameraman. Once you pour it closer, if two open, two close, it accepts. But if it's paired, 3 close, 1 open, or 3 open, 3 close, you now pour water again and pour on the sign again for it to change. It will not have 2 signs. If you are clean and you just filter it very well, if you open it, 4 of them will open, or 2 will open, 2 will close. That tells you that the ancestors have accepted your prayers. Camera, come closer. Our ancestors have not gone anywhere. They live in us. They live in us. So this thing is not diabolic. It's not anything. You're a pastor, a reverend, anybody can do it wherever you are. You do it first week of the year, first week of the month. You pray for your ancestors and tell them to help you fight this battle. If you speak so far, is your blood running that vein? You're not a bastard now. You came from somewhere. You pray, they will open doors for you. This is how I showed you step by step how to do it. A child of mine paid me $200 to help me and do it. I want to go and do now. But I'm also. I have to give many people the power to do it before they come once and pass attacking us. Alafia, please share this video. Let those that don't know should be know. Alafia lo. Foto mono wanyanya numede. Beto jena no kudona. Yona metondo follow me. Bona sebona no kudona. Maru sunu foduo. No peji banu yonla. Beji ni no mai fodu kere. Ndomo boto pe no siseno le. Amisa no ni amisa. Fodu no ni kudo for sisa. Fodu wento me mai no sisa. Tonu sise ponte u abo sisa. Amisa no ni amisa no. Uno ni kudo for sisa. Fodu wento me mai no sisa. Tonu sise ponte u abo sisa. Aiba sapata simpo. Aiba fodu anakwelo. Aiba robo kabli kojoko. Aiba